Here are the best foods to keep your heart strong and healthy. The top 13 heart-healthy foods. Did you know that in the United States, someone has a heart attack every 40 seconds? Or that heart disease is the leading cause of death for both men and women, killing 1 in every 4 people. It's important to note that while these statistics may seem alarming, many heart attacks can be prevented by making healthy lifestyle choices. According to the American Heart Association, over 80% of these deaths could have been prevented if people made simple nutrition and lifestyle changes. Here at Healthee, our goal is to give you the tools you need to live a long, fulfilling, and you guessed it, healthy life. Eating a healthy diet is one of the most effective ways to prevent heart disease. A heart-healthy diet is low in saturated and trans fat, cholesterol, salt, and added sugars, and rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. By following a healthy eating pattern, you can lower your blood pressure, reduce your cholesterol levels, and maintain a healthy weight, all of which are key factors in reducing your risk of heart disease. Making simple changes to your diet, such as choosing whole foods over processed foods, can have a significant impact on your heart health and overall well-being. That being said, here is a list of the best heart-healthy foods that you can easily cook, experiment with, and eat in order to have a happy tummy and a healthy heart. Number 13. Almonds. This is obviously popular to people who are following certain diets, as this makes a very good snack, especially on days that you are craving something. Almonds are packed with nutrients such as dietary fiber, vitamin E, and magnesium. Also, many studies have proven how almonds help in lowering the body's systolic blood pressure, which would mostly benefit the heart. Not only that, but this power snack is also known to have amazing effects on your cholesterol levels, which is another risk factor for heart disease. Number 12. Fatty fish. You might have seen different supplements and vitamins that are promising surprising results because they contain omega-3 fatty acids. But eating the real deal is what would really benefit your heart and body. So if you love eating sardines, tuna, mackerel, and of course the crowd's favorite salmon, you no longer have to rely on these vitamins. These fatty fish will give you all the nutrients to lower levels of blood triglycerides, blood sugar, cholesterol, and systolic blood pressure. Not only is fish good for your heart health, but also your brain health, as it has been linked to reducing the risk of depression. Number 11. Olive oil. Although it's not actually a food, oil is needed in almost every dish that we make every day. For sure, you are guilty of grabbing any kind of oil, especially when you need it right away. But there is a specific oil that will not just make your food better, but also a lot healthier. Olive oil boasts of its antioxidants, which is good in combating inflammation. We know how many diseases can start with inflammation. So next time you go grocery shopping, add olive oil at the top of your list. Number 10. Tofu. All my vegetarian and vegan people out there would love this. I know you all love tofu because it is one of the best meat substitutes, especially if you're just starting out on a plant-based diet. In an American Heart Association scientific statement in 2021, it was pointed out that plant-based protein is better for your heart health. Number 9. Whole grains, another diet-friendly food, which is also popular for people trying to lose weight. Many studies have shown that the more whole grains incorporated in your diet, the more beneficial it would be for your heart health. Actually, an analysis of 45 studies have suggested that eating 3 more servings of whole grains every day is linked to reducing risk of heart disease by up to 22%. Number 8. Dark leafy greens. Nothing beats leafy green vegetables in the health game. This group, including collard greens, kale, and spinach, is rich in vitamin K, which helps in protecting our arteries and promoting proper blood clotting. Not only that, but they also contain dietary nitrates, which are amazing in decreasing arterial stiffness and reducing blood pressure. Many studies about these vegetables have suggested that consuming more of these every day would lower risk of heart problems by up to 16%. Vegetables in general are very healthy for our body. Whether your goal is to be fit, lose weight, or keep the mind and heart stronger, these vegetables should be your go-to. Number 7. Edamame. Mostly used in Asian cuisine, this food is more than just an appetizer. Fun fact though, edamame is actually the Japanese word for soybeans. Since edamame is another soy product, it also contains isoflavones that are linked to lowering cholesterol levels. A study has shown that having at least 30 grams of protein daily can improve the blood lipids, arming the heart to fight off possible cardiovascular diseases as well. You may not be a fan of all the foods that I have mentioned so far, but including as many of these heart-healthy foods in your diet as possible would be very advantageous to your heart. You can be eating all these foods, but in order to get the maximum benefits, you have to incorporate an active lifestyle with a healthy and balanced diet. Paying more attention to what you eat every day would be beneficial in the long run, both your physique and internal health. To give you better ideas on what foods you can prepare for your meal plan, here are the remaining 6 foods on our list. Number 6. Seeds. Some of the most common and nutritious seeds that you can add to your foods are flax seeds, hemp seeds, and chia seeds. These are all rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Although all of these seeds are good for your health, flax seeds may wow you with how it can help the body. Multiple studies concluded that dietary flax seeds could aid in lowering your risk of heart disease and cancer. Add this to another heart-friendly food like whole grains for breakfast to start off your day right. Number 5. Green tea. You can never go wrong with green tea when it comes to health benefits. Although not all people love its taste, we cannot turn away from the fact that it is rich with antioxidants. It also has fat-burning ingredients that can likely prove insulin sensitivity. Since it is good for losing weight, people who are overweight and are dealing with obesity should try this out. If the taste of green tea is just unbearable to you, then matcha, which is much more popular these days, could be a good alternative. They are both green tea, but people love to experiment with different drinks with matcha to make it taste even better. Number 4. Dark chocolate. You don't have to give up on sweets altogether, especially if you are just slowly trying to stay away from unhealthy foods that you were used to eating. Since dark chocolate is full of antioxidants, this can help boost your heart health. Different studies have proven that consuming a few bites of dark chocolate from time to time could lower the risk of heart problems. This could be tricky as well because it can spike up your blood sugar and calories if you do not eat it in moderation. Moderation is important. Experts advise that you should only take a maximum of 6 servings per week if you want to indulge in these little chocolate treats. Number 3. Tomatoes. Lycopene, which has powerful antioxidant properties, is present in tomatoes. Low blood levels of lycopene are connected to higher rates of stroke and heart attack. So the more tomatoes you add to your diet, the more you can protect your heart as well. If other healthy foods lowers the bad cholesterol in your body, tomatoes on the other hand can increase good cholesterol your body can use to remove plaque and excess cholesterol from the arteries. Number 2. Avocados. This food is packed with monosaturated fats that have been long associated with lower cholesterol levels and increased heart health benefits. Avocados are rich in potassium as well. By eating one avocado, you would immediately get 975 milligrams of potassium. This is already 28% of what your body needs in a single day. Number 1. Garlic! You might be surprised with this one. For a very long time already, garlic has been tried in treating different illnesses. I bet that it is one of the most used natural remedies no matter what your concern is. Because people are always talking about the effectiveness of garlic, multiple studies were conducted and many have confirmed that it contains a compound called allicin, which gives garlic tons of therapeutic effects. There were also researches that unveiled how garlic extract can help in platelet buildup, which can protect the body from stroke and blood clots. Garlic has a long list of other benefits as well. We have a separate video on garlic hacks as well, so be sure to check that one out. We hope you enjoyed today's video, and we will see you on the next one here on Healthee. Thanks for watching.